Good morning, Miss.
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, all.
Hi, Miss.
How are you all doing?
We're fine. Hi, Miss.
Hi. At what time do you usually wake up?
Miss, I wake up on like 7:30.
Mm-hmm.
8.
That's good.
I wake up on 7:32.
Mm-hmm.
Me, my sister wakes me up.
Great. So you all acted. Great job. Hi. You all did a great job in the quiz. I'm so happy. And the lesson isn't that hard. So we will start the session by correcting the quiz. And since we're not too many, you can unmute yourselves. Okay, so I'm talking with all of you. I'm not gonna call anyone. The excretory organs. So this quiz is about the excretory system that helps us to get rid of all the bad things. What are the organs of the excretory system? What did you choose?
Miss, may I ask, maybe answer?
Yes, yes, yes. It's for all of
Miss,
you.
I
The
said
question is for all
No,
of you.
the lung, the large intestine. The
The lung,
the skin,
the
the
lungs,
lungs, and the large intestine.
the skin, the large intestine. Why choosing the urinary system? So the urinary system helps us in excreting urine. Why we cannot choose it?
Because it's not an organ, it's a system.
So it's not an organ, it's a system. Excellent, يا Lamar. Okay, the urinary system, yes, it is a part of the excretory system, but it is not an organ, it is a system. Thank you. Place the following events in sequence. A, B, C, D. A, urine passes through the ureters. B, urea enters the kidneys. C, urine enters the urethra. D, the liver converts ammonia into urea. Which one is the first one?
D.
D is the first one.
D.
So when you eat things rich in proteins, when you eat things rich in proteins like chicken, like meat, you will have ammonia in the body. The liver's job is to clean your blood from ammonia and turn it into urea. So this is one. What's two?
B.
Then, where does
B.
the urea go?
B.
The urea must go
kidney
to the kidneys.
kidneys.
In the kidneys, this urea will be used to make urine. Then, where does the urine go?
A. To the ureters.
To the ureters, and then from the ureters, it arrives to the bladder, and at the end, urine goes away the body through the urethra. I'm sorry, I cannot check the chat. Okay, so D, B, A, C. This one is the correct one.
Hi, Miss.
Hi. Indicate which of the following. Hi, Ali. Which of the following is the incorrect description of the kidneys? Kidneys are bean-shaped
Kidneys
organs.
are located on the left side of the backbone.
Each kidney is about the size of a pin. The second one
the
is
kidneys
wrong. So the kidneys are not on the left side of the backbone. We have two kidneys, one on the left, one on the right. So this is the wrong one. What's the main function of the excretory system?
Sister, can I see it?
Miss,
Yes.
is it to clean blood, Haida?
The
To waste what?
excretory system gets rid of waste products from
Waste
Good job.
water
As
and
I
product.
said,
Miss
the
Fatima,
yes.
Miss, I can't see unmuted because it's noisy beside me.
It's okay. The excretory system gets rid of waste products. It helps us to eliminate all the bad things, to eliminate bad things from the body. طيب. Second choice, it breaks down food for digestion. Which body system is this function for?
Liver.
Which
The
body
digestive.
The digestive
The
system.
digestive system.
Bravo Fahani. The digestive system's job. The digestive system's job is to digest food. Okay. Circulating oxygen. Circulating oxygen.
The circulatory system, miss.
Bravo يا حسن. The circulatory system. The system of the blood. Each body system has its own job. We have, okay, the largest organ of the body that gives off bodily sweat and perspiration is the skin. True or false?
True. Yes.
True, that's right. The skin is the largest organ. طيب, let me talk about this. Anna, each time I tell you to draw something, I know you're not Picasso. It's okay to make a quick drawing. What's important for me is that you find the right place of the kidneys, of the ureters, of the bladder, of the urethra. Okay? So don't be afraid. Most of you do not do the drawing because they don't know how. First of all, it's in front of you. I will show you the Marsufan's drawing. She had a clever idea. So she did not draw a new one. She didn't draw a new one. She just used my drawing, the one that I uploaded on the quiz. And she used it to find the parts of the urinary system. So here in pink we have the kidneys. In blue, the ureters. In orange, the bladder. And this one, the green part right here, is the urethra. Can you clearly see the parts? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
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 Okay, so there is no need to draw these in the middle. I don't know, we don't care for them. We have the pink parts, the two kidneys, the two ureters. I'm sorry. The bladder and the urethra. Okay, and great, this is not working anymore. That's it. Any questions about the excretory system? The first part of the excretory system.
No, miss.
No,
Okay.
miss.
No.
The excretory system is a body system. What are systems made of?
Organs. No, 1 minute.
That's right. Systems are made.
Oh,
Systems are made of organs. Bravo. And then organs are made of شو?
cells. Tissues.
Tissues. Bravo. بعدين tissues are made of
Cell.
Tissues are made of
cells.
cells.
Tissues are made of cells. Bravo. All body systems are built out of organs. These organs are made of cells, of tissues are made of cells. رح نعمل quickly a quick orally revision عن ال nervous system. The nervous system is a body system. What are the 3 organs of the nervous system?
Brain,
Yes,
spinal cord, and nerves.
Bravo. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. What are these organs made of? أي kind of tissues make the nervous system?
nerve tissues.
Nervous tissue. برافو. بعدين
Cells, miss, the nerve cell.
بعدين the nerve cells. Bravo. Okay, the nervous system is an important body system that controls everything. حتى it controls our excretory system. The excretory system سميناه excretory لأنه it helps in excretion. شو يعني excretion? It's eliminating, it's throwing bad things to the outside. I have many things to get rid of. So it's a system, it's made of organs. How many organs is the excretory system made of?
4.
4 organs. يلا, let me call the others. لحظة يا راما ولحظة يا حسن زين الدين. وين باقي الأبطال? What are you doing? شو يا جماعة؟ I'm also sleepy. I know this is hard in the morning, but you can do it. And if we finish early, I will finish the session early, and I'll go to sleep for sure. So please, yalla, wake up.
Miss, I was drinking my vitamin.
Okay.
Miss, can I name the 4 systems, the 4 organs?
Okay, all of you. I'm talking with all of you. I want you all to participate. The excretory system is made of 4 organs, like Zainuddin said. What are these 4 organs?
Lungs,
Lungs,
skin, the
skin.
large intestine, and the kidney.
Bravo. Lungs, large intestine, kidneys, and skin. Yalla. What do lungs help us get rid of? Lungs are
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Will large intestine?
Carbon dioxide.
Will large intestine?
Poop.
Poop, that's right. صح. Kidneys.
Pee.
Wastewater product.
Pee. Okay, urine. Skin.
Extra water.
Sweat. Bravo.
Acid.
Respiration.
Yeah.
Perspiration. Bravo يا لمار. Bravo all.
Miss,
So هون are the 2 lungs.
that's me, Hassan Fani.
What?
Miss, it's me, Hassan Fani.
Okay. Thank you, Hasuna. يلا. The lungs هن a part
People
of
just like to take the credit.
the lungs هن a part of the respiratory system. They help us take in oxygen لأنه we need oxygen to live, but while taking in oxygen we take in carbon dioxide too. So we need to throw this carbon dioxide to the outside. For the others, I'm trying my best to make this clear. Please listen carefully, and if you still have any questions, you can ask. The lungs help us throw carbon dioxide to the outside. No, we don't need the carbon dioxide. It's a toxic gas for us. The large intestine, into when you eat, هلا مثلا Hassan was taking his medicines, Hassan Zainuddin was taking his breakfast. Everything you take in, everything you eat, you drink, has a needed part, كمان unwanted part. But the body is clever. The body is smart. بياخد ال wanted part, needed part, بس عندي a part that it needs to throw to the outside. So the large intestine is the organ that makes caca. It makes poop. I'm sorry for this, but just to make the idea clear, the large intestine helps us
Oh, miss,
in,
this is science.
yes, the large intestine is the part that prepares the unwanted food and digested food to throw them to the outside. كمان نحن we pee. طيب, how does this happen? Urination, peeing, urination is so important for the body because it helps us to throw urea, excess salt, excess water. So when you eat, especially when you eat things rich in proteins, قلت لكم proteins are so important for you. But when you take too much proteins, أصلا when you eat proteins, the body will be full of ammonia. When the body digests protein, you will have, when the body
Ammonia.
digests protein, you will have ammonia in the body. طيب, this is so toxic. It's harmful. بيجي the liver, which is a very important organ in the
What
body.
does it do exactly?
It cleans, it absorbs, it has the blood vessels around it. So it absorbs all the ammonia from the blood. That's one. The ammonia is now in the liver. It changes ammonia into urea. It changes it, it turns it into urea. Then, through the blood, it sends it to the kidneys. Now, the kidneys must absorb the urea from the blood. The kidneys take the urea. So let's move with this. Okay. The urea goes to the kidneys. In the kidneys,
Water
the urea will be
plus salt
mixed.
plus urine equals urine.
That's right. The urea will be combined with extra water and salts to make urine. So now you have urine in the kidneys. The urine will pass through
Miss, I
the
have a
ureters. It will go down.
question.
Yes.
What does the ammonia do exactly to your body?
Okay, so I read a short article. It's harmful, and it's especially harmful for the brain. It poisons the body.
Oh.
Okay, then the urine. Now the urine is in the kidney. The urine flows into the two ureters. It accumulates in the bladder. The bladder is full. You feel that you want to go to the bathroom. Then the urethra helps you to throw the urine to the outside. Okay, so you need to use the urethra helps you to urinate. This is urination happening. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the skin. The skin is the biggest organ in your body and it has many functions. Here is a section
Miss,
of
I have
the
a
skin.
question.
Yes, Habib.
How is skin an organ?
Everything, every part of your body is أو cell, أو tissue, أو organ. The skin is an organ by itself. It's the biggest one. نحن قلنا إنه an organ is something, it's a part of the body that has a function. And it can be made of different tissues. So here you have the skin and the different tissues and it has functions. So it's an organ. شايفين نحن السكن في nerve cells، في hair، في blood vessels، في fat cells. Okay. The skin has many jobs. First of all, we said this last time, it helps you sweat. And when you sweat, you get rid of extra water, of salts, of urea, of uric acid. All of these are bad things that you need to eliminate from the body through by sweating. Okay, it seems that I'm getting scared. It protects you from diseases. The skin doesn't let germs go inside. Into مثلا there are animal touching you, you touch everything around you where the environment is full of germs, of bacteria, and so on. So the skin is the first thing that defends your body. It doesn't let bad elements go inside. طيب هون regulation of the temperature. How much is your body temperature?
36 or 37.
37 degrees. The normal human body temperature is 37, and it's the skin that helps you keep it that way. لأنه at 37 degrees your body works well and is higher than this, lower than this, your body will not function properly. So the skin helps you to control your body temperature by using the sweat glands and the fat cells. And last of all, في عنا, what do I still have? It helps you to sense the environment. If you touch something hot, مثلا, it protects you. You need to move your hand quickly. If it's cold, if it's hot, and so on. So the skin عنده four. Yes.
So these, like how do, when you touch something, and let's say you rub your foot on the carpet, and you touch someone else, it makes electricity. So does the hair or the nerve gets this thing, or what? Or is it just electricity?
So Anta, what do you think? Which part of the skin helps you do this? Helps you sense the electricity, the static electricity happening?
Maybe the nerve ending.
The nerve endings, that's right. The nerves help us sense the environment.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
The skin has four functions. Say them with me, and I'm talking with all of you now. Excretion, يلي هو sweating. Protection from diseases.
Protection from disease.
Regulation of
Sensory
temperature.
detection.
Sensory detection. All of you, please read them. What are the four jobs of the skin? The four jobs of the skin: excretion,
Excretion, protect from disease, regulation of temperature, and sensory detection.
sensory detection. Excretion, يعني to get rid of waste products. Protection from diseases, they do not let bad and strange elements go inside our body مثل bacteria, مثل germs وهيك. Regulation of temperature, it helps us to keep our body temperature fixed. Sensory detection, it helps us feel the environment, إنه إذا it's cold, إذا it's hot, and so on. Okay. هلا رح نحكي عن regulation of temperature since it's a very important function. Okay. طيب خليني نشوف. مريم and Marwa are making sports. Fala, Zain, Salman. So you are all making sports, exercising, and after a while we can clearly see your red faces and you're sweating a lot. So why is the body acting this way? Why do you look so red when you make sports? It's because the body is working
Miss, is it because you're burning fat?
Because what?
Because you're burning fat.
You're burning fat?
Yeah.
You turn red. It's real. You are burning fat, but sweating a lot, having a higher temperature, and turning into a red
High temperature. Yes.
are the signs of body of regulation of the temperature. Okay, this way with the red color, with a higher temperature, with sweating the body is keeping you in a healthy way, in the right way. So when you exercise, the brain notices إنه you have a high temperature. The temperature is going higher. هلا أنا I don't know if you remember this. I'm talking with my old students. Do you remember إنه نحن when we exercise we breathe more, and when we breathe more يعني عم نعمل أكتر ATP energy? Do you remember anything about the ATP energy?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
you took-
remember.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
last year.
so extra energy يعني extra heat, so you feel so hot. هلا the brain knows إنه it's hot here, there is something happening, the temperature is rising. Okay, the temperature rises and this is not healthy, so we need to get rid of the extra temperature that we have, the extra heat. شو بيعمل؟ It sends a message to the capillary, بعدين the capillary will go bigger, and then the heat will pass through them to the outside. هلا انتو your blood vessels are bigger عشان هيك you look red. What is a second way? I'm gonna talk about this in details كمان هلا. The second way عندكم الsensory nerves. Sensory nerves بيعرفوا انه it's hot right here. So they send a message to the brain. The brain sends a message to the sweat glands, and then you sweat. Yeah, let's talk about the first one. عندنا two ways to regulate, to control the body temperature, and this is important. أول شيء, the brain knows إنه the temperature is higher now. The temperature in the blood in the body is higher. طب يلا, we have to act fast. The brain sends a message to the capillaries. Capillaries and هن tiny blood vessels found in the skin. The capillaries dilate, يعني they go bigger. شفتوا كيف they go bigger؟ هون the normal capillary.
Yes.
هلا هون it turns bigger. It's wide. It's opened more. It goes bigger, and then through the skin you will be losing extra heat. Heat loss across epidermis, across the skin. The second way إنه the heat and the nerves in the skin know there is heat, it's hot. They send a message to the brain. The brain sends a message to the sweat glands, but then you start sweating. So how do you get rid of extra heat? On two ways. When the capillaries dilate,
you took
when you sweat. عشان
Dilate.
هيك انتوا you sweat وبتصيروا red in
the
color.
skin.
So next time you go to the gym, out in your sport classes, inshallah, when you go back to school, when you see someone making sports and looking red, you have to make sure, أو هلا أنتوا you will get sure that his body is working properly. He looks red لأنه his capillaries are bigger now. He's sweating لأنه his brain gave the order to sweat in order to get rid of the extra temperature. Any questions يا أبطال about these two ways? How do we keep our body temperature 37? And the two ways, by losing heat through
No.
skin and by sweating. Any questions?
No.
Any
No.
questions?
No.
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 Where is
No.
Zen? Zen, do you usually join and then sleep again? Sure. Hassan Zaidan, hi. I'm happy that you're with us. Hi, Hassan. Hassan, do you have any questions about this? Hassan Bawab.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Hassan Bawab. Jamia, do you join and then sleep?
No, miss.
Okay. I'll go faster. And in 10
No,
minutes,
miss.
I'll try to finish early. The skin is made of two layers, epidermis and dermis. بالاpidermis you will find the dead skin. على فكرة انتو you lose lots of dead skin too much. يمكن ما بعرف إذا million, I'm not sure of the number, but you lose lots of dead skins dead skin every day. When you take a bath, when you wear your clothes, when you pass through something, so you are losing lots of dead skins that make the epidermis, and then the body makes new ones. The epidermis is made of dead skin cells. دي dermis. شايفين الديرمس فيه كل شيء، blood vessels, fat cells, hair, nerve endings، كل شيء هون فيه. The skin is so important. So how do you care for the skin? مثل ما قلنا السكين عنده 4 functions. It helps you to sense the environment, and when you touch, when you feel pain, when it's hot and cold. It doesn't let viruses and bacteria to go in. كمان it doesn't let bad sunlight go in. It regulates your body temperature. شو كمان بعد في عندي وحدة. where is it sweating هي.
Is it to produce vitamin D?
وكمان you can add this. So
No.
شو أولكم, is the skin important?
Yes, very important actually.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very important.
Miss,
طيب انتوا
the
خبروني
skin is
هلا.
like the army for the whole body.
That's right. من دون,
What?
without looking at Miss Patton's advices, tell me, what do you do to care for your skin? I'm talking with the boys and for the girls now. Your skin is so important. شو بتعملوا? What do you do to care for it?
Try not to hurt it or scratch myself.
Don't hurt it. Like
Not hurt it.
Take care
Bravo,
of
to
it,
protect
yeah.
yourself.
Take care.
صح. What else?
take care.
Don't do stupid things on purpose.
Hydrate it, wash it every
Yeah.
morning.
Wash it every
Clean.
morning. That's right.
Shower.
Miss, I do
What do
want
you use to wash yourself? يا
Miss,
جماعة؟
don't do
wash it at
stupid.
the same time I put
Don't do.
which will make me
Shampoo,
scratch
soap, shampoo,
Tell me, how do you wash yourself? What do you use?
shampoo and soap.
Shampoo.
Okay, you use shampoo, and you should also use warm water and rub yourselves. Okay, for those who are not getting me, لازم نليف حالنا to clean our bodies, and also between our fingers, between our toes. بعدين, when we finish taking a bath, when we rub ourselves with shampoo, with water, when we clean ourselves, what should you do?
We should نشف حالنا miss. Dry
That's right. برافو يا راما.
Dry
You
yourself.
should dry.
Pat yourself. Miss,
ourselves.
pat yourself. Don't scrub. That will hurt the
Yeah,
skin more.
straight
Just
away.
pat.
كمان after taking a bath ما تنسوا you have to dry yourself properly. بننشف حالنا كتير منيح. Also when you go in the sun, يمكن the girls do this. When you go out in the sun, what should you wear?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. لازم
because
تحط
or
cream to protect. برافو لمار، برافو لراما.
your
Also,
skin will burn.
You can wear a hat. طيب حكينا عن السويتنج نحن. السويتنج will make you lose lots of water.
Yes.
كمان urination حيخليكم to lose water. So what should you do?
Miss,
Yeah.
can I see something?
Drink a lot of water.
Drink water.
So
Miss, do
here
you know
are
that?
ways to care for your skin. You have to drink a lot of water to keep your skin clean. You have to dry yourself. Wash your sport shoes. بس تعملوا sports, wash your sport shoes and then put them in the sun so they dry. وتحطوا the right sunscreen.
Okay.
That's all about the skin. Please, هلا أنا I will finish it because just take it to let you go early. But
Yes,
they need to revise
I have
well
something to say.
how to label the skin layer, the skin section. يعني وين الhair, وين الpore, وين الblood vessel, وين الfat cells, وين الsweat glands, the epidermis with dermis. You have to know وين هن. Deal?
Okay.
You cannot leave if you didn't
Deal.
say deal. All deal and then you go out. And then you can leave. All deal and then you
Deal.
leave.
Deal.
Deal.
Great. Great job.
Here. Miss, I have one thing to say. Do you know that ice isn't actually cold, but your hand the hot the temperature in your hand moves to the ice, and then you feel the cold.
Really?
Yes.
Uh-huh. That's great. Good information. Thank you,
Okay,
Hassan.
Miss.
Thank you all for joining me. I'm so happy that you were here. I love you and have a
I
nice
love you
day.
too.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. See you next Thursday.
See
Bye,
you.
Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.